Hey guys, today I will show you how to create an Android emulator on Windows. For this, I'll be using the Android Studio. Now, after you have installed the Android Studio, click here on the top right corner with this box icon and an Android symbol. This is the Android Avd Manager. We can create several virtual devices aka Android emulators here. Click on the Create Virtual Device button here. Now here there are several templates available here. You can select either for Android TV, phone, Wear OS, tablets or automotives. But today I will be focusing on phones. Now you can select a preset. I'll be selecting, let's say, a Pixel 3 XL. Now this basically represents the size of the device, the resolution and the pixel density. Now click on next. Now here you can select the system image. Now you can either select Marshmallow or Lollipop because I have downloaded this too. You can also select other images. Now here I have downloaded the Pi version also. You can even download the Android Q. To download, just click on the download button. Let's select Pi and click on next. Now here you can name your device. Now you can change the resolution, the Android version. You can set up the orientation. For, let's say, in tablets, a landscape mode is more conventional. In phones, portrait mode is more conventional. Now here you can select the graphics. Now you can either select hardware and software and leave it to automatic. It really doesn't matter, but if you have hardware support, then go for hardware support. It will be faster. Now once you have set up all the settings, click on finish. The Android Studio will create a virtual device for you. As you can see here, my first device is visible here. Now to start it, click on the play button here. Now this will take a lot of time because you are basically running an Android device in Windows. Now once the device is open, it will load the Android OS. This is very similar to just starting up your Android device from shutdown state. Now as you can see here, the Android system has started. Now you can basically use it like a phone here. Let's say open Chrome browser. Now remember, this will be slow because you are running an emulator. If you want mobile specific things that you want to test here, then this is a great tool. But if you want to just run apps and play games, or say, there are a lot of better available virtual devices there. And best of it, you may be knowing it, BlueStacks. But if you want to do some testing, maybe root the device, tweak it, or actually use the Android Studio, then this is the best tool. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and mention in the comments whether you faced any difficulties. Thank you.